This is the executive summary of Comcast's content calendar proposal and professional suggestion on a digital marketing partner. Purpose of a content calendar. Content calendars are a powerful tool for any company to leverage to make marketing and brand publishing campaigns more effective and efficient. By establishing a content calendar, a company can create alignment across an entire organization or even between departments. Any internal content creator or team can stay informed on key dates, content assets, and areas of success. This decreases the impact of duplicative efforts and creates a content repository for both small or large teams to access and implement in their areas. Content calendars are a great way to map out weekly, monthly, or yearly marketing campaigns. Content milestones can be established, and content can be planned around key dates and events. Teams can work seamlessly together over electronic databases, allowing for an efficient content workflow. This creates consistency, increased communication, collaboration, and allows teams to spot potential gaps and work to close them with a handful of lead time to execution. Business objectives. Comcast strives to create best-in-class experiences for customers. So why shouldn't this extend to our marketing? Every touchpoint with the potential to interact with the customer should leave a lasting impression. By building and refining a content calendar into an intentional and impactful brand publishing campaign, will only aid in ensuring our efforts are grand, strong, accessible, personal, and ultimately successful in reaching our goals. A content calendar will aid in building brand loyalty and ensuring our content is aligned with the vision to become a loved brand. When people think cable, internet, entertainment, mobile provider, or home security, we aim for the first brand to come to their minds to be Comcast. With alignment, consistency, and strong content managed through a content calendar, we can effectively increase our market share and improve our internal marketing operations. This means more money from revenue spent on growth and development versus managing teams, content, or systems that should be streamlined and more cost-effective through organizational-wide efforts from a content calendar. Current content. Comcast is a powerhouse in the technology and communication sector of the market. We dominate in the arena of TV advertising, experiential marketing, brand sponsorships, and more traditional avenues of marketing, such as door-to-door sales and print ads. Most major sports arenas, event venues, and celebrities have sponsorships with the brand. Comcast owns NBC Universal, and by extension, has access to an established and powerful network of media channels to blast video content. All of these arenas are strong, but Comcast does have some areas of vulnerability. The future content needs of the company include a social media presence, areas of opportunity for mobile and internet advertisements, and primarily they need to reshape the public opinion of their brand to be a loved brand, considering how important reviews and personal recommendations are to customers. Identifying and leveraging influencers will be beneficial for marketing strategies, along with continuing to leverage analytical tools to target ads and personalized content. In terms of a digital marketing partner, I would select Adobe Marketing Cloud. Adobe Marketing Cloud is our ideal partner to launch our digital brand publishing strategies to success. Adobe will aid in making our content bigger, better, and more effective. Adobe offers a very broad suite of 9 native solutions that address many aspects of the production, management, distribution, and optimization of marketing content at scale. As our technology partner, Adobe would improve our digital marketing efforts. Adobe has 6 primary comprehensive solutions to amplify the impact of any content calendar. These include Experience Manager, Social, Analytics, Target, Media Optimizer, and Campaign. I'm going to let this video speak to exactly what each of these solutions can offer our company in terms of a marketing partner and marketing solutions.
Adobe Marketing Cloud.
Why?
This is Peter. As a marketing professional, Peter speaks the language of his customers. In order to reach them, he has to deliver the right content through the right channels to the right devices and provide a personalized experience. That's why he needs to collect lots of data. However, processing big data is complex. His online presence must be consistent across devices, channels, and languages, while ensuring a personalized experience. Peter also needs to efficiently manage and measure his social marketing activities and optimize his marketing spend on search and display. So, is there a solution that can address these challenges? Fortunately, there is. It's the Adobe Marketing Cloud. Leveraging 6 solutions, Peter can comfortably master digital marketing step by step. Adobe Experience Manager enables Peter to create a digital appearance that helps build his brands and drive demand, while working seamlessly across all devices. Using Adobe Social, Peter can monitor the progress in his social media channels, which helps him to be current with his community's digital sentiment. Adobe Analytics collects, analyzes, and divides visitors into segments, allowing Peter to get the insights he needs to understand digital body language. Adobe Target uses these insights to deliver truly relevant content to meet the needs of Peter's customers and increase conversion. Adobe Target understands customer preferences and personalizes every page instantly. Adobe Media Optimizer lets Peter deliver targeted ads and leverage data to optimize ad spend, intelligently predicting and forecasting campaign performance. With Adobe Campaign, he's able to orchestrate and deliver one-to-one campaigns, identifying and targeting customers individually so each can enjoy a tailored and consistent cross-channel experience. Do you know what your marketing is doing? Adobe can help.
Given these solutions described in our video and spoken to prior, I reiterate the importance and relevance of partnering with Adobe as our digital marketing solutions partner. Ultimately, a campaign of scale, such as Comcast, would typically begin around $2 million for a standard full-scale solution and could be customized and tweaked to fit our needs, increasing that price. Although there's a large price tag, the investment return from a implementation of a partner such as Adobe would highly outweigh and exceed any costs we would face. This completes my executive summary.